This is my husband, Drew Brees. He thinks he knows good protection.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, let's put that confidence to the test, shall we? Let's see who can save homeowners the most money on unexpected system and appliances breaking down. Your team versus my HomeSafe team.
We got this, no problem. All right, huddle up.
Yeah.
All right, you're on fridge duty?
Got it.
You repair the AC?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you're the pros. Let's just show them how HomeSafe does it.
Man, I need you on that clogged drain.
I get the clogged drain.
Come on, there's no I in team.
You good there, Brees?
Oh yeah, we're good.
Let's go!
Don't trust just anyone to fix your home systems and appliances. Call HomeSafe before something breaks.
That's roughing the appliance.
Oh, come on, ref, he barely touched it.
I guess I'm fixing a sink.
With a nationwide network of trusted pre-screened technicians, HomeSafe makes sure you're taken care of whenever you need a repair.
Whoa, what's this?
Didn't I tell you? If HomeSafe can't fix it, they'll help replace it.
Come on, ref. No foul, no foul.
When home appliances and systems fail, a home warranty from HomeSafe will get covered repairs fixed or replaced. Once a claim is filed, we find, schedule, and pay for repairs or replacements for you. Get your free quote and call now to get on the HomeSafe team.
Done.
What do you say, Coach?
You win. HomeSafe is the better team.
Take it from this competitive mom and call HomeSafe to protect your budget with an affordable month-to-month plan.
Did we win?
Protect your home from expensive home system and appliance failures with a home warranty from HomeSafe. Call to get your free quote in minutes and see how homeowners can save thousands. All you have to do is call before something breaks. 800-870-6335. That's 800-870-6335. 800-870-6335.